Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the deepest parts of our oceans? What if NASA, the same agency that explores Mars and distant galaxies, discovered something under Earth's oceans that defies science itself? Something so mysterious that even the world's top scientists are too afraid to explain it? What if there's a reason NASA stopped exploring the ocean and started focusing on space instead? Could it be that what they found down there wasn't supposed to be found at all? The story begins with a mission not among the stars, but deep below the waves. NASA, along with NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, once collaborated on ocean exploration. Their goal was simple: to understand the unexplored 95% of the ocean. But during one of these missions, they recorded something no one could explain, a sound unlike anything ever heard before. This sound, known as the Bloop, was captured in 1997. It was so loud that underwater microphones thousands of miles apart picked it up. At first, scientists thought it came from a massive underwater creature, far larger than any blue whale ever known. But when NASA analyzed the data, something didn't add up. The signal had an unnatural pattern, something intelligent behind it. For years, NASA and NOAA both denied knowing what it truly was. But leaked internal reports suggested that the Bloop came from a depth deeper than our most advanced submarines could ever reach. Deeper than the Mariana Trench. Deeper than any human eye has ever seen. And here's where the story takes a dark turn. In 2002, NASA quietly withdrew its deep ocean research team from a classified project. Officially, they said it was for budgetary reallocation. But several former employees later hinted that what they found beneath the ocean could change everything we know about life. So what could possibly scare NASA, an agency that sends people into space, away from the ocean? One theory suggests that during one of their unmanned deep dives, a probe captured images of enormous moving shadows near a thermal vent system. At first, scientists assumed it was geological movement, until one of the shadows turned and swam past the camera lens. It was massive, smooth-skinned, silent. The footage was never released to the public. All that remained was a few still frames, leaked online years later, showing something that looked alive, but not like anything on Earth. As if that wasn't enough, strange electromagnetic signals began to appear on naval sonar systems near that same area. These signals pulsed rhythmically, not random like geological activity, but structured, almost like communication. Was it possible that something intelligent lived in the darkest parts of our planet? Something far older than humanity itself? Even Stephen Hawking once warned about exploring what we don't understand, saying that contact with an advanced unknown civilization, even one from Earth's oceans, might not end well for us. At first, people thought he was joking, but now those words feel like a prophecy. Over the next few years, several deep-sea expeditions mysteriously lost contact. Submarines vanished without a trace. Their final transmissions contained strange, static-filled noises, low rumbles that sounded eerily like the Bloop. Each time, rescue operations failed, and NASA's involvement was never officially acknowledged again. By 2011, NASA had shifted almost entirely to space-based research, but one internal memo leaked from a retired engineer contained just one haunting line: "We stopped looking down because of what we found." So what could it be? A colossal, undiscovered life form? A natural phenomenon we can't yet explain? Or evidence of something else? Something that watches from below? Some researchers believe these anomalies might be connected to a rare type of deep-sea energy source, a massive pulsating magnetic field at the ocean's core, something that could even affect Earth's gravity in small bursts. In fact, satellite readings have shown strange distortions in the oceanic magnetic field, almost like something alive is moving underneath. Others believe it's even more mysterious, that Earth's ocean floors might hold gateways, portals formed by intense gravitational pressure. The same physics that warp time around a black hole could, in theory, exist in microform beneath our planet. NASA scientists have never confirmed this, but some of their papers on gravitational anomalies under the ocean crust quietly disappeared from public archives. Could that mean NASA found evidence of something that connects the Earth to space itself? A link between the deep sea and the universe? One thing is certain: the ocean remains Earth's greatest mystery. We've mapped more of Mars than we've explored of our own ocean floor. And maybe that's not an accident. Even today, advanced sonar detects massive moving shapes deep under the Pacific, objects larger than skyscrapers, moving in formation. Some experts call them glitches in data. Others think they're living, but no one dares to go verify it. When you think about it, the ocean is like another world entirely. Dark, vast, and hostile to life as we know it. If something ancient had evolved down there, something that predates humans, would we even be able to recognize it? Perhaps that's why NASA's focus shifted to the stars. Maybe they're not just searching for life out there. Maybe they're trying to understand what's still here, right beneath our feet, in the crushing darkness of the deep. If this story taught us one thing, it's that sometimes the greatest mysteries aren't found in space. They're found right here, on the only planet we call home.